Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Lee with an update for Bitcoin. This is being made a public blog. This video will detail out an alternate count for Bitcoin, which is very interesting from a pattern and Elliott wave perspective. So I have since 1997 been utilizing Elliott waves and chart pattern recognition to try and see if we can call the markets. It is not 100% perfect. It is based on probability and not certainty. To expect otherwise would be silly. Now, if we see the pattern of an inverse head and shoulders in an uptrend, when that occurs, it's called a continuation pattern. We have seen this in the stock market quite often. For example, the S&P 500 is already working on an inverse head and shoulders potential. I say potential because the right shoulder has to finish and price has to breach the neckline, the blue neckline, to have confirmation. But the fact of the matter is that back in 2016, the exact same thing happened. Not in precise pattern reflection, but it was an inverse head and shoulders, a continuation, bullish continuation pattern. Back in 2011 and 12, the same thing was also seen, a continuation inverse head and shoulders. At the depth of the financial crisis back in 2008 and up into March of 2009, an inverse head and shoulders was identified to pinpoint the bottom. So as you can see in this real example, the evidence of performance of an inverse head and shoulders as a continuation pattern is quite apparent. So back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been on an uptrend since December of 2018. This inverse head and shoulders has real potential to be able to rise if it can do higher highs past the 8,000 and stay above 8,000. I think it has a real potential to finish this right shoulder. What does that mean? That means we will get higher highs, likely into the mid to late 9,000s, perhaps even more. Now, I told you in the beginning that this is an alternate count. At hedging.com, gold and silver members get full access to all cryptocurrency primary counts. Gold members, in addition, get full access to the profit trade alerts. We have already established the entry rungs for Bitcoin to re-enter and buy this dip. I think it is very soon, if not already now, a BTF phase to buy this, because I think a bull market is always very forgiving. In a bull market trend, even if you bought at the very peak, it will give you higher highs for you to recoup not only your paper losses, but gain in the profit. Gold members also, for a limited time, get a lifetime fixed rate in the annual membership and a lifetime access to the profit trade alerts. That's right, you will be trading right next to me. Thus far, of the number of trades that have been posted, we have had 0 losing trades. I do expect losing trades. That is part of trading. But thus far, we have not had any yet. We have seen profits in the range of 8.1% to 23 and 26%. That is what profit alerts provide. So if you can, and if you will, review the public blog sites for hedging.com and consider taking advantage of this limited time offer of a locked-in annual rate and lifetime access to profit alerts for incoming gold memberships. Thank you and have a great day.